What are you doing in your house?
I'm making baby doll clothes.
You're making baby doll clothes. Wait, I called you Abby. Are you Abby?
No, I'm so white.
Oh, that's right. You're Snow White. Is anyone helping you make baby doll clothes?
Yeah.
Who?
Happy?
Happy?
Yeah.
Yes. Any of the other dwarfs?
No, just Happy.
Well, where are the other dwarfs? Where's Dopey?
Edward.
Oh.
Does Grumpy sew?
Yeah.
He does? Grumpy helps you sew?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's nice. You really turned that guy around, huh? Yeah. Who else is in there with you besides Happy?
Dopey.
Oh, Dopey. Oh, I thought it was the other Snow White. Isn't the other Snow White in there?
Yeah.
Yeah?
She is. Her name is Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs.
Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Now, did Snow White eat breakfast with us this morning? Yeah, what did she eat?
She eat pancakes.
Oh, I thought they were waffles.
Hi, everybody. And where's the video?
Why don't we say hi to Jack and Sammy?
Jack and Sammy.
Say hello.
Hello.
What are you gonna do today?
I didn't do paint in my house.
Oh, okay.
No, shut.
Bye.
Bye.